Hello, my name is Gabriel and I'm here to enlighten you with the information I believe everybody should know. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about meditation. The way I see meditation is a way for your brain to come to peace. Because many of us throughout our days, we have thoughts that make us dwell in negative thoughts that just ruin a lot of things. But with meditation, you learn how to you learn how to control your thoughts instead of your thoughts controlling you. Meditation at first is very hard for a lot of people, but it's a process. Just like going to the gym, the first week it's usually the hardest, but if you keep a routine, it becomes easier and easier and easier, and before you know it, it becomes a natural thing to do. Today I wanted to teach you how to meditate. First, what you do, you can usually do this before you go to sleep because you practice and sometimes you fall asleep, so if you fall asleep and wake up in the morning, at least you practiced. And I wouldn't be surprised if you have a lot of lucid dreams. But what you do is you lay down. And as you're laying down, you start from the bottom of your feet. You just feel the tension release from the bottom of your feet to the top of your feet, to your kneecaps, to your calves, to your thighs, your hips, your stomach, your chest, your shoulders, your neck, your head, and then you stop at the top of your head. You just feel the tension release. And then after that, what I usually do is, in my head, I count from 100 to 0. That seems like a lot of numbers, but in reality, it's just not. You'll go through it just very smoothly. But usually when you count back from 100 to 0, your thoughts can, I guess you could say, you could lose track. But once you realize you lost track, just go back to the last number you remember and keep counting back. Just keep doing that until you get to 0. And once you get to 0, what I usually do is I go back to 30 and then go back to 0. And if you get off track, just put yourself back into track and then keep counting. And then after that, I guess you could say your mind is at peace, so you could see where that leads you. How I see meditation is, it's a way for you to control your thoughts instead of your thoughts controlling you. It's not an easy process for many, but with practice comes perfection. Well, that is all I really wanted to say today. I hope you try this, but thank you for watching and much love.